Oh my god, it came from the Gucci store. I ordered belt. What inside? On the bag. What inside of this? I'll see it later. I don't know. Oh my god, faster. Like usual, bag. Something inside. Oh, where's my belt? Oh my god, no, it's not. Oh, it's this way. This way, this way, this way. Ah, finally. I did it. I did it. Nice, I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. It's like a gold. And it's my size? Yes, it's my size. So good. And I love it, this belt. Oh my god, because a lot of fake selling, but this one I ordered from official Gucci site. And because one time I ordered from eBay, they did like a replica. I don't know how's the English. I speak another language. And it's so different because it's exactly what I want. Because I saw on when I buy it from eBay, the print was so bad, like, you know, and but here you can see like perfect. So it came with some papers. Let's see what inside of this envelope. Oh my god, it's okay, it's fine. If you want to return, you can return the Gucci papers. Thank you for your shopping. And this one is they asking if it's small, large, or everything is good and how you like it. It's not receipt. Okay, nice, I like it. It's nothing special inside, but it's very good. I don't need this one, I think so. Just leave it. But I love the belt. It's so beautiful. Look at this. The bag. Look for this bag. And inside, oh my god, it's so terrible. I thought if I buy the Gucci, it's never gonna be like this, but you know, I'm not gonna wear this one, so I don't need this one. I need only belt. Perfect Gucci belt, like you see it. Oh my god, it's exactly what I want. Look. And it's like gold. It's, oh my god, it's beautiful. So if you want to buy the Gucci belt, you know how it has to be looks like. Yeah, remember, look for the print exactly like this, and you can see everything, no scratches or something. It's perfect inside of here, and it's perfect everywhere. So just remember, I'm gonna show you one more time. Look at this. I buy from the official Gucci, and you can see how it has to be look. And here everything has to be not scratches or something. Perfect. Don't. And you know, I thought if I buy the Gucci, everything will be perfect. So now I know no one is perfect. And because the bag, you can see it's like I can do this like this, but can you believe it? The bag made in China. Really? I'm shocked. I thought. Okay, nothing special, but the belt is special. So I recommend it if you want to order. Remember, print exactly like this, has to be perfect. This one, and sticks has to be perfect. Everything has to be perfect in belt. Remember this. I love it. Thank you for your watching. Thank you. Bye bye.